In the past few years, I've been able to make a majority of my income by working online. I get to travel the world, work wherever and whenever I want, and sustain myself with this thing right here. And I've been able to do all this without a huge social media presence. I didn't get lucky with crypto, and I don't have rich parents. For many people, this seems out of reach. They get 2 weeks of vacation a year. They have to be at work 8 hours a day. And I'm here to tell you that escaping that life is much easier than you think. So in this video, I'm gonna go through 5 income streams that have let me live this life of freedom at 23 years old. All right, so one of my main sources of income at the moment is social media marketing. Now that can be a pretty broad set of responsibilities, but for me, this means editing photo and video content, managing YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok accounts. And when I'm at home, it means just shooting content with different companies and people who need content for different things. I've done a bunch of different types of jobs, from real estate to prom photos to proposal videos. Basically, in my circle of family and friends, they all know that I make videos, and this has just given me a bunch of organic opportunities for work without doing any marketing at all. Just by talking with people and occasionally posting my work on Instagram, I constantly have people reaching out to me to do video or photo shoots, and this is providing me a pretty decent income every month. Now, what I like about this business model is that on the outside, it looks very challenging. I mean, you need to know what equipment to buy, you need to know what settings to be filming and shooting at, you need to know how to edit. But pretty much everything that I've learned about making content and marketing, I've learned on YouTube and just from watching other people over the years. A whole lot of this stuff is pretty simple once you learn it. The actual value comes in knowing how to execute on these types of projects because you've been studying and watching these things for years, and you know exactly how to approach it when those jobs come up. I bet the reason that you probably clicked on this video is you want to find out how much can you actually make with these types of businesses. And just like pretty much every income stream I'm going to mention in this video, it really depends and it can vary every single month. When I've worked full-time for a company doing this in the past, it brought in about $4,000 a month. Currently, this is not my main business, and I'm only spending a few hours a week working on these types of projects, but it still brings in a couple $1,000s a month just from the projects that come in. Now, if you were going to take a business like this seriously and take it full-time, then you easily could double or triple that income. Providing high-quality content and understanding how to grow social media is one of the most sought-after skills that you can learn right now. For me, the reason I don't go full-time with this business is because it does take a ton of time. There really is nothing passive about this type of business. I mean, you always have to be working on the next project or else there's no money coming in. After each job, there's another one, and there really is no way to automate this other than hiring people to do it for you. And that's just not the direction that I'm trying to go in, which brings me to my second source of income, and it's the YouTube ad revenue from these videos. Now, the income from YouTube can really vary depending on what type of content you're making and how many views you're getting. I'm quite lucky because my videos are in this business finance niche, and this is one of the highest paying niches on YouTube. So I can make a lot more than somebody else with the same amount of subscribers as me if they are in gaming or commentary or some broad type of niche like that. As I'm filming this video, my channel has about 30,000 subscribers, and this channel averages about $1,000 a month, and the most I've ever made in a month is $6,000. Now, while I'm not making a whole bunch of money off of this channel, I think that building an income stream like YouTube is one of the best ones that you can get into because of how passive it is. It does take a lot of work to make the videos up front, but once that video is posted, you can keep making money on that video for years and years to come. And when it comes to building multiple income streams and getting money from different places, this is the key because you can't be working on 10 different things at one time. So the more passive the income stream is, like this, where you just put the work up front and then reap the rewards after, the more you can build multiple income streams, which is kind of the direction that I've been trying to go. For the next income stream, it's also related to this channel, and that is brand deals and ad partnerships. So by making videos in the finance niche, I'm lucky enough to have companies constantly reaching out to me to promote either a service or a product that they're selling, and generally they'll pay me a flat fee plus a commission rate to do so. Now, I know these ad reads when you watch your favorite YouTubers are pretty annoying, but as a smaller YouTuber, the income from these brand deals can be more than I make in a month off these videos. It can be kind of a hard decision to choose to work with a company because it tends to kill the retention on your videos and the performance of that video in the long run. And if you promote shady companies, that can usually really negatively impact your brand and just how your viewers trust you. Sometimes you can get some really tempting offers, but then once you look more into the companies, you realize you have no idea what they're selling, or it's not a product or service that you would ever spend money on. So when I accept brand deals on this channel, I really try my best to promote companies that I think are actually providing some type of value. Now, I really only started accepting brand deals on this channel a couple months ago, but the income from these brand deals can be anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000 per month. All right, so the next income stream is affiliate commissions. So sometimes on this channel, when I talk about different side hustles or do a business challenge video, I'll mention different tools and services that I think are useful or valuable. And when I do mention these different types of tools, I'll try to use an affiliate link in the description that pays me a percentage of any sale that comes from that link. This is a win-win because the person that signs up for the service was going to do it anyways, but because I'm the one that brought that company a new customer, I get rewarded for it. Now, right now for me, this income is pretty small. From affiliate commissions, I generally make about $100 to $200 a month. But if you get a video to blow up and have really good affiliate commissions, you can easily make thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars with these. Up until recently, Shopify had a really insane affiliate commission. I would make up to $200 when a person signed up for Shopify using my link. So you can see how quickly that could add up if you're bringing a lot of people to that link. Now, before I get into the next income stream, while we're talking about online businesses, one of the most important parts about running an online business is making sure that you have a good website, which is why I've partnered with Hostinger for this video today. So Hostinger is one of the fastest growing website hosting services. Regardless of what type of business you have, you can use this tool to build the perfect website for you, whether that's a photography portfolio, an online store, a sales landing page. So you have a couple different options when it comes to building your website with this tool. You can use WordPress, which gives you a bunch of customization and lets you basically have full creative control over the look and feel of your website without doing any code. So to start, you can go through all their different templates until you find something that you like, and then easily change the photos, colors, and text to fit your brand. And one of the coolest parts is all of the AI tools that they have, such as the AI page generator that will literally create a website page for you based off a written prompt. There's an AI logo maker, blog post writer, and an AI heat map that tells you where the attention of your website visitors is most likely to be. Basically everything you need to build an incredible website is here. Or if you have no idea where to start, you can use their AI website builder to do it all for you. So literally all you have to do is say what type of website you're looking for and then give a really brief description, like a couple sentences talking about what your company or business does, and they will literally create a website from scratch based off what you say. And this is what it created for me. So obviously this is not the final result, but it's a really good place to start with. And from here, I can customize all these images and all of the text for what I'm looking for. And one of the benefits of using Hostinger is you get access to a bunch of different tools that a lot of other hosting services would charge you for, like the AI tools. With this, all of it is included in your subscription. Now, if you already have a website with a different hosting service, you can easily migrate it to Hostinger and then change everything up while you still have the same domain. Now, if you sign up with the link in my description, you'll get a free domain as well as 10% off your subscription. So there's a bunch of different options here for plans, but I think that the best deal for most people is going to be the business plan. You get access to 100 websites, a free domain, free email, unlimited bandwidth, the website builder with all the AI tools, and just a whole bunch of other benefits on top of that. If you want to access the extra discount, make sure that you put code Ulbin at checkout. And as you can see, it's only $60 for the year. All right, let's get back into more income streams. Now for the last income stream, I'm going to group in crypto, investing, interest from savings accounts, drop shipping, Etsy, etc. All these income streams are either projects that I've started for videos or I just mess around with when I see an opportunity. For example, for some of the Etsy videos I did last year, I spent a few days building out a store and I haven't touched it since, but the store has still made over $1,000. With crypto, I was investing a small amount every single week for like a year, but I didn't see any money from that until like the past month where the market has exploded and I've made like $4,000 in profit. But all these income streams are pretty inconsistent and I don't spend a lot of time on these at all. I just like to dabble in these opportunities whenever I see them. Like for example, gambling. From time to time, you'll see a really good offer where you get double bonus money. So during the Super Bowl, I made an easy $500 with that. So yeah, so since it's so inconsistent, we'll say the income from these can be anywhere from $500 to $1,500 a month. So what I've come to realize is there's just infinite ways to make money in this online world if you just don't have a scarcity mindset and you're looking for opportunities. Like I said, the life that I'm living now was one that I always wanted, and all it took was seeing a good opportunity when you notice it and just some work to get there. And I think anyone watching this can do it too. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.